Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. As we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, news, a bit of price stabilisation is returning to the Chinese economy. Chinese consumer price inflation came in little change for August. It was up 0.3% from July and up only 0.1% from a year ago. All this is a consequence of overall low demand. Milk and lamb prices fell in the month. Beef prices were unchanged from July. Year on year, milk prices are essentially unchanged, but beef and lamb prices are down almost 5%. Producer prices fell again in China, but in August this fall was much less than in any month since March on a year ago basis. They were essentially unchanged from a month ago, which is the best they've been since October last year. And the Americans reported that their household net worth rose to a record $154 trillion in the second quarter of 2023, a rise of 4.8% in a year. They managed that because their household liabilities only rose 3.6% in the same period. US consumer credit rose a modest $10.4 billion in July, a second month with solid but unspectacular rises. Household debt isn't an overall problem for them at the moment. And the Canadian economy added almost 40,000 new jobs in August, far exceeding market expectations of a 15,000 increase. Full-time work rose 32,000 and part-time jobs increased by 8,000 in the month. Those in jobs saw their pay rise 5.5% from a year ago, well above their inflation rate of 3.3%. Meanwhile, global food prices fell 2.1% in August to be now at their lowest since April 2021. These prices are now 25% below their peak in March 2022. A key reason for the latest fall is the retreating dairy price, which was down 4%, as the world seems to have a dairy surplus now. Meat prices are falling too. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today unchanged at 4.26%, and the price of gold will start today at just on $1,919 and down $1 from Saturday, but that is down $20 from a week ago. And oil prices are 50 US cents lower from Saturday at just on $86.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is down $1 at just on $90 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today little change from Saturday at 58.8 US cents. Against the Aussie, we're starting the week at 92.3 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're unchanged at 55 euro cents. That all means our trade weighted index is still at 68.5. A week ago it was at 68.7, so very little change from then. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.